Hey guys, Sean T. Phillips here with our brand new DVD Blu-ray Tuesday shout video today. Today we're gonna go out today, see what things came out, see what things are on sale. Some of the big releases that come out today is Venom, and there's a number of different retail exclusives of that one. I believe there's a Target and a Walmart.
Dog checkers at the Washington Monument of the Capitol. And that's it. You know, Barry, maybe if you had a sense of civic pride, like Chelsea here,
with all due respect, Mr.
then maybe you'd like to leave your books and go to the principal's office. Hello, Barry. I trust you learned your lesson.
Lesson learned, Mr. Wright. Big pride.
Barry, I don't know if you can do that. You haven't even paid your dues. Issue to your election advisors.
Getting disqualified and suspended. The election will be held that Friday, and results will be. Are there any questions? After a brief conference, his or her dues in order to run.
It's been brought to our attention that some of you are in danger of falling below a C average. A candidate must maintain a C average or above in order to participate in this election. If you fall into this category, we suggest you find a tutor.
I think it's ready, babe. Why don't we...
Lab.
Him all the time.
I know we're all deeply upset over the passing of our...
Importantly, because we want to remember Miss Heath and Christian.
What?
Speeches in front of the school assembly next week.
We hope you've been practicing your folks.
Who are you anyway?
It's not loaded.
The janitor, he did see Abe Lincoln.
Beloved teacher Leonard Wright and honor student Eddie Mills had to be identified using only.
Is there anything else I can do for you, Mr. President?
Congratulations, Madam President. My best student. I admire you, Chelsea. When someone stands, it's those cutthroat instincts that make you a natural gift. Retribution. She's all yours, Madam President. That a girl, Chelsea? What are you doing? Out of the goodness of my heart. Don't say that, please. I love you, Chelsea.
You killed your dog!
Every war has its casualties. You weren't supposed to be president.